Welcome to your lesson on addition. So this video is just going to go over some of the ways that we are going to do addition and how we can set it out. So we're looking at specifically these goals. So apply place value to partition, rearrange and regroup numbers to at least 10,000. So making sure we know our place values of our numbers. We're then going to recognize and explain the connection between addition, and we're not going to do subtraction today, so we cannot worry about that one. And then we're going to recall addition facts for single digit numbers. And again, we're not going to do subtraction. So we've got up here O, T, H and TH. So this is for ones. I might make that a little bit smaller. It wants to. There we go. This is tens, hundreds and thousands. So there are different place values, and I'm just going to rub them out so that we have room for our working. Now, I don't expect you to do this in your own calculations, but it's just really important to make sure we're lining up the ones with each other, the tens, the hundreds and the thousands with each other. So this first question is 218 plus 70. So the way we're going to set it out is 218 plus 70, and we're going to add each column up at a time. So 8 plus 0 is 8, 1 plus 7 is 8, and then it's just going to be 2. So our answer is 288. This next one we need to fill it out ourselves. So 730, so we're going to start in our hundreds column and work our way back to the ones, plus 681, again starting in our hundreds column. 0 plus 1 is 1. 3 plus 8 is 11. So if we get to 10 or bigger, we're going to take that last number, which in this case is a 1, and then whatever the first number is, we're going to carry it over. In this case, it's a 1. So a 1 and a 1 make 11. So 7 plus 6 is 13, plus 1 is 14. So again, I'm going to put down my second number of 4, carry over my 1, and then there's nothing here, so we're just going to put 1. So my answer to this is 1,411. Part C, it's 1,223. So we're going to start with our 1,000 column. So 1, 2, 2, 3, plus 876. Remember, making sure that our ones line up, our tens line up, our hundreds line up, and our thousands line up. 3 plus 6 is 9. 7 plus 2 is 9. 2 plus 8 is 10, so we put down that last number and then we carry 1 over. 1 plus 1 is 2, so 2,099 is our answer to C. Now this one's getting a bit bigger because we're going up to TTH, which means 10,000s. So we're just getting a bit bigger. So we've got 9,999. So starting in our thousandth column and working our way back. Plus 2,387. We're now going to add our ones, so 9 plus 7 is 16. I put down that second number, I carry the 1. 9 plus 8 is 17, plus 1 is 18. Put down that second number, carry the 1. 9 plus 3 is 12, plus the 1 is 13. Put down that second number, carry the 1. 9 plus 2 is 11, plus that 1 is 12. Put down that number, carry the 1, and then that just leaves 1. So we'll have the answer of 12,386. You don't need to put this comma in. You can if it helps you though. So it helps me. That's why I put it in. We're also going to have a quick look at expanded forms. So this is just to help you with your place value. So this week we're just going to be focusing on adding numbers like these. But we can write our thousands, hundreds, tens, ones, or 10,000s all separately. So 1,000 plus 400 plus 30 plus 2 will be 1,432. So we can break that number up into little individual components. 20,000 plus 8,000 plus 200 plus 90 plus 7 will be 28,297. We're now going to work backwards. So we've got 9,000 plus, there's no hundreds, so then we're going to go 70 plus 5. For this one, we have 4,000 plus 200 plus 30 plus 8. Now, it's really important to make sure you're putting them in the right place. So they might not, for example, with this one here, we have no hundreds. So you don't want to just go 975 because the answer isn't 975. So because we've got no hundreds, that's why that zero's in there, but we don't need to write it in the expanded form. Our last one is 70,000 plus 6,000 plus 900 plus 30 plus 1. So it's going to become 76,931. All right, that's it for our addition. You're going to have a few different ones that you need to complete, showing your working like I did up here on the iPad.